Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted policies from Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will open up your Start menu and bring up the search bar. In the search field, type regedit. This is short for Registry Editor, which is a powerful Windows tool that lets you view and modify the system registry where Chrome policies are stored. Once you see Registry Editor appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You may need to grant administrator permissions at this point, so if a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to proceed. This will open the Registry Editor window, which displays a tree structure of registry keys on the left side. Now, in the left panel, you'll see several main folders or keys. Look for and click on H key Local Machine. This is one of the root keys in the Windows registry and contains configuration information for the local computer. Expanding this key will reveal all the system-wide settings that affect every user on the machine. Next, under H key Local Machine, scroll down and click on Software. This folder contains settings for all the software installed on your computer, including Google Chrome. The Software key is where most third-party applications store their configuration data. From there, locate and click on Policies. This folder specifically holds all the policy settings that have been applied to your system, either by administrators, group policies, or sometimes by malware or unwanted software. This is where Chrome's managed policies are stored. Now within the Policies folder, click on Google and then click on Chrome. This will display all the policy settings that have been applied to Google Chrome on your computer. These policies might control things like homepage settings, extensions, security features, or other browser behaviors that you might want to remove. At this point, you'll see a list of various policies in the right panel. Take a moment to find the specific unwanted policy you want to remove. Each policy is listed with its name and value so you can identify which ones are restricting or controlling your browser behavior. Once you've identified the unwanted policy, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click Delete. This action will prepare the system to remove that specific policy from your registry. After clicking Delete, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to make sure you really want to remove this registry entry, since changes to the registry can affect how your system operates. Simply click Yes to confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully removed the unwanted Google Chrome policy. The policy will no longer affect your browser, and Chrome should now behave according to your preferences rather than the enforced policy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.